Get ready to watch a skilled artisan's journey as they build a rustic log cabin directly onto a rocky foundation deep in the forest.
Construction of a hut begins by establishing a stable and dependable foundation. Large, carefully selected rocks serve as the main support structure. To turn these rocks into secure anchors, a method of precision drilling is used on every stone. Ribbed steel bars are then inserted into the drilled holes, creating secure anchor points that lock the foundation into place. Once the concrete is poured into the mold, it sets into a solid state, creating a powerful and long-lasting foundation. To ensure longevity, a bitumen seal is applied to the surface, establishing an effective waterproof barrier. Additionally, the foundation timbers that support the hut are specially processed and treated to provide superior protection against the elements and environmental wear. This cabin is a testament to the man who built it, as he personally selects, cuts, and refines all the materials. He works the logs into planks and the planks into doors and floors. Nothing enters the structure without first passing through his hands. Precisely measure and trim every log. This adjustment allows us to overcome uneven ground and achieve a perfectly level alignment. As a sustainable option, moss offers inherent qualities that make it a viable natural insulation material. Natural moss is used to fill the gaps in the log house construction. When this moss dries, it naturally compresses, creating an airtight and watertight barrier between the logs. This technique not only makes the house highly durable, but also ensures its superior warmth and insulation. All floor joists are fortified with a protective treatment, providing complete defense against decay, mold, and insect infestation. This vital process ensures the wood's longevity, especially in humid forest environments. Playing a vital structural role, the floor beams actively work to hold up the cabin's subfloor. They're essential for distributing the total weight uniformly, guaranteeing stability throughout the entire structure. To safely facilitate the installation of the high logs, we established a robust, temporary working platform and supportive ground scaffolding. To build a durable and sturdy log cabin, you must first secure the right location. This initial selection in the forest is the single most crucial step. Uniformly shaped and sized logs stack far more efficiently. This consistency is key to saving time, as it greatly reduces the need for additional cutting or manual alignment. Installed extra support components to ensure the hut is stronger and more stable. With the completion of the walls, the building process immediately moves to its next major milestone, the installation of the roof system.
For hundreds of years, builders have trusted rafters and timber framing to create strong, load-bearing roof systems. This reliance is due to the rafter's ability to form a durable and self-supporting structure.
Their main function is to channel the roof's load down to the walls, effectively keeping the cabin steady and allowing it to withstand severe weather, including heavy snowfall and strong winds.
To secure the frame and achieve structural balance, diagonal braces are installed. These log members span the distance between the top ridge and the base logs, effectively counteracting movement and dissipating stress across the structure.
Thanks to its traditional gable roof, this shed maximizes its interior volume with a high vaulted ceiling. This design creates a substantial open attic loft, which is frequently leveraged to provide valuable secondary storage space above the main floor.
Carry out this process to effectively seal against water leaks and inhibit moisture accumulation. This action safeguards the wooden roof structure from long-term damage caused by continuous exposure to the elements.
The installation begins with the roof battens. Following this, horizontal beams are fitted directly across the rafters. These beams serve to enhance the roof's overall strength and stability.
Use exterior-grade plywood for the subroofing to ensure it's protected from the elements. This material is inherently durable, able to handle both moisture and any brief exposure to weather during construction.
For fire safety, a metal thimble plate is installed at the point where the stovepipe passes through the cabin's roof structure. This plate serves as a protective barrier to isolate the hot pipe from combustible materials.
Serving as the crucial top layer, a mineral-coated roofing felt is installed to seal the roof completely. This tough material ensures long-lasting defense and weatherproofing for the structure.
With the roofing felt successfully laid, the next step is fitting the stainless steel chimney pipe into the roof's designated passage to accommodate the wood stuff. Installed on the top of the chimney, a chimney cap provides essential protection. Its primary function is to keep the flue system clear by blocking entry to water, rain and snow, and small wildlife. Especially suited for a cabin's demanding environment, this roofing provides the kind of tough set-it-and-forget-it protection needed in isolated, heavily wooded areas.
Deep in the wilderness, the earliest cabins provided a critical refuge. They were the original homes for pioneers, hunters, and farmers as they carved out a life on the frontier. The allure of the log cabin is timeless. It serves as a vivid contrast to the frantic pace of modern life. It embodies the aspiration to unplug and embrace a more essential, nature-focused simplicity. The log cabin roof is covered with fiberglass to ensure it is fully protected. This material simultaneously seals against water, prevents heat loss through insulation, and significantly improves the roof's long-term durability. The final stages of approving and completing the parts needed for the stove chimney . The process of building a cabin is a powerful draw for DIY fans, allowing them to immerse themselves in practical work and experience the unique feeling of self-sufficiency that comes from constructing their own dwelling. His current work involves two main tasks: building an entrance terrace for the tower and creating a door opening in the hut. A cabin is a creation that transcends time, taking the soul of traditional craftsmanship and marrying it perfectly with modern conveniences. It's the ultimate combination of the old world aesthetic and the new world experience. The fabrication of the door beam and frame is now underway, beginning with the cutting and sawing phase. Right from the start, the video showed us that this man is a true craftsman, making all the materials himself. It's now time to get building. Let's create the door. The door process is finished when the hinges have been successfully fitted and finally calibrated. Acting as a protective barrier, the membrane is vapor permeable, but watertight. This design ensures that moisture vapor can vent out while blocking liquid water, thereby protecting the floor system from damage like rot and mold growth.
Fastening the membrane firmly to the joists eliminates the risk of it dropping or tearing. This rigorous attachment guarantees a continuous sealed layer across the entire underside of the floor.
Due to shifts in temperature and humidity, solid wood tongue and groove panels are designed to naturally fluctuate in size, expand and contract.
Now that the stove is in place, the rest of the job is practically finished.
Don't let the video's simplicity fool you. This project demands a certain level of skill and know-how. To ensure you have all the necessary information, check the project owner's YouTube channel. You'll find a longer video there with much more detailed instructions.